Preventing drowning. Introduction. How can you prevent drowning? Choose one of the following. 1. Learn how to swim. 2. Never swim alone. 3. Wear life jackets. 4. All of the above. Correct. Joan wants to take her 4-year-old daughter and 6-year-old son to a nearby swimming pool. Both of her children have started swimming lessons but are not experienced swimmers. Joan herself does not swim and does not know CPR. What should she do to keep her children safe? Choose one of the following. 1. Choose a swimming pool with lifeguards on site. 2. Take along a friend who knows how to swim and CPR. 3. Watch your children closely while they are near the water. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are many steps Joan can take to keep her children safe around water. When around water, you do not need to supervise children who have had swimming lessons. Select true or false. Correct. Swimming lessons can help prevent drowning, but you should never assume that children who know how to swim are safe around water without supervision. Certain health conditions can lead to drowning. Select true or false. Correct. Some health conditions may cause a person to pass out or lose control of his or her body. These conditions can make it dangerous to be in or around water. Thank you for using Explain.